Welcome to the third part of our webinar series on linear motion technology. Today we'll take a compact yet technically sound look at monorail guidance systems, linear guidance systems that play a key role in enabling precise motion in countless machines. We will walk you through the structure of monorail guidance systems, their different designs and sizes, and the materials they're made of. We'll also take a closer look at linear carriages and explain when it's better to use ball guides versus roller guides. Our goal is to give you a clear, manufacturer-independent overview of the basics, so you're well-equipped to advise your customers. And at the end, we'll give you a quick preview of our next webinar. Let's get started. Monorail guidance systems are linear guidance systems where carriages roll along specially ground rails, or more accurately, where rolling elements inside the carriage move along hardened raceways. These rolling elements, typically balls or rollers, circulate in a closed loop, enabling precise, low friction, and repeatable motion, even over long distances. This design allows for endless travel without mechanical stops or limitations. Monorail guidance systems form the backbone of many types of machinery, from packaging and measurement systems to advanced automation equipment. Let's first have a look at linear rails. Rails for monorail guidance systems come in a variety of designs and sizes to suit different applications. As a standard, most rails feature 4 raceways, 2 on each side, allowing them to handle forces from multiple directions. The size of a rail is typically determined by the width of its base, which is rounded up to the nearest 5 millimeters. For example, a measured base width of 23 millimeters would fall into size category 25. Miniature monorail guidance systems are a special category designed for use in tight installation spaces, usually in the size range of 5 to 15 millimeters. These compact guides are made of stainless steel and have just 2 raceways. Due to their corrosion resistance and small footprint, they are commonly used in sensitive environments such as medical technology and laboratory equipment. Let's move on to another important topic: mounting options for monorail guidance systems. In about 90% of applications, rails are mounted from above, using through holes that go all the way through the rail. Alternatively, some rail types feature blind-tapped holes, allowing for underside mounting. This option is often chosen when a clean or hidden mounting surface is desired, for example in design-sensitive installations. Material selection plays a critical role in achieving the precision and load capacity expected from monorail guidance systems. Rails are typically made of hardened carbon steel, ground on all sides. The raceways, where balls or rollers make contact, are precision ground to minimize friction and ensure exceptionally smooth operation. For demanding environments, various coatings are available, such as corrosion protection for use in humid or chemically aggressive conditions. Miniature systems, on the other hand, are almost exclusively made of stainless steel. This ensures corrosion resistance and meets the high hygiene and durability standards required in medical or laboratory settings. Ultimately, the material choice affects not only the lifespan of the guide, but also its performance under load and its maintenance requirements. Let's have a closer look at carriages next. The carriage is the second core component of a monorail guidance system. It houses the rolling elements, balls or rollers, which circulate in a closed loop and enable low friction, precise movement along the rail. The carriage itself consists of a base body, a circulation system for the rolling elements, and integrated seals. Depending on the version, additional protective features, like scrapers, can also be included. The rolling elements are always pre-installed. There are two main carriage types, block and flange versions. Block carriages allow for mounting from the top only, while flange carriages can be mounted from either the top or bottom, providing more flexibility in installation. Carriages also vary in length, height, and width, depending on the specific application and performance requirements. It's important to note, rails and carriages can be purchased separately or as a pre-assembled unit. In either case, both components must come from the same manufacturer and product series. Mixing parts from different manufacturers, even with standard models, is not permitted. To simplify the selection process, many manufacturers offer online configurators that help you put together compatible components. One of the key decisions when choosing a monorail guidance system is whether to go with ball or roller guides. Both have their advantages, and the main difference lies in the contact between the rolling element and the raceway. Ball guides feature point contact, meaning the ball touches the raceway at a single point. This results in lower friction, smooth running, and excellent dynamics, ideal for applications like pick-and-place systems or packaging machines. Roller guides, in contrast, operate with line contact. The roller touches the raceway across a larger surface area, offering greater load capacity and higher rigidity. This makes them well-suited for heavy-duty applications, where high precision is critical, such as grinding or milling machines. To sum up, ball guides are ideal for speed and smooth motion, while roller guides are the better choice for high loads and maximum precision. In our next webinar, we'll focus on a highly practical topic: how to machine and modify guideways and shafts. You'll learn about common processing options and how rails can be individually adapted, including cutting to length, chamfering, and butt machining. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next session.